In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Steam Friends notifications. If you're getting constant pop-ups or sounds whenever someone comes online or jumps into a game, this walkthrough will show you how to quiet things down without missing what matters. First, open the Steam client on your computer and make sure you're logged in. You'll need to be in your account to change these preferences, and everything we adjust will apply immediately. Next, head to the main settings. Look to the top left corner of the Steam window and click the Steam menu, then choose Settings from the drop-down. This opens the central place where you can control how Steam behaves. In the Settings window, find the Notifications section in the left sidebar. This area is dedicated to all the alerts Steam can show you, and it includes friend-related notifications. It's helpful to think of this section as your hub for deciding what you see and hear while using Steam or playing a game. Now, scroll to the Friend Notifications area. Here's where you fine-tune what happens when your friends come online or start playing. If you want to stop pop-up boxes from appearing, switch off Show Toast for items like when a friend joins a game and when a friend comes online. A toast is just the small pop-up that appears in the corner of your screen. If you also want to silence the chime, toggle off play sound for those same items. You can pick and choose, maybe you still want a subtle pop-up but no sound, or vice versa. Adjust these to match how quiet you want things to be. For broader control, look for the Global Show Notification Toasts drop-down. Setting this to never turns off all notification pop-ups entirely, while choosing when I'm not in-game lets you receive notifications on the desktop but keeps them from interrupting you during gameplay. This option is great if you still want to stay informed without breaking your focus mid-match. When you're done, simply close the settings window. Steam saves these changes automatically, so there's no need to restart. If you ever decide you want some alerts back, just return to the same notifications section and turn the toggles back on. That's it, thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.